Hiccup. Noun. A spasm of the diaphragm, or the resulting sound. There was a loud hiccup from the back of the room and the class erupted in laughter. Hiccup. Noun. A minor setback. There's been a slight hiccup in the processing of this quarter's results. Hiccup. Verb. To produce a hiccup, have the hiccups. Hiccup. Verb. To say with a hiccup. I haven't touched a drop, officer, the suspect hiccuped. Hiccup. Verb. To produce an abortive sound like a hiccup. The car engine hiccuped but wouldn't start. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.